Happy Monday, y'all. I hope you had a great weekend. I just wanted to create a quick video to discuss some of the trends that I've been seeing in your work. And since we're starting chapter 4 this week, I thought this would be a good time since you've kind of gotten into a little bit of the routine for the first 3 chapters. And as you know, every single chapter always has the same routine. Your discussion board posts are initially due on Thursday. Friday, I go in, I read them, I grade them, I give you feedback. Make sure that you check out that feedback on Friday, because if you don't receive full credit, I give you the opportunity to change your answer, add to your answer, and try to get that full credit for the full 50 points. Part of the reason why some people aren't obtaining the full 50 points right from the get-go is that you're not answering the question in its entirety. The questions may have 2 parts and you're only choosing to answer one question, or your answer is not really reflective of what the question is asking to begin with. So make sure that you're spending some time in answering your initial discussion post, but that you're also going back and checking out my comments and your grades, so that way you have an opportunity to improve your grade as well. The other thing that I wanted to discuss very quickly before signing off on this quick video is the things that are due each chapter. I'm finding that some of you are completing some items and not others, and grades are starting to go down, and I don't want this to be a trend that we see until the end of the semester. So this is a good point to turn around and make sure that you're setting up a schedule for yourself that you can get all the work done and not fall behind and not get points deducted for submitting something late. So every single chapter you have the same thing that's due. You're going to have a chapter quiz that's due, you're going to have your primary source assignment that's due, and you're going to have the 2 discussion board posts, which are the peer responses and your initial post that's due on that Thursday. Just as a side note for your peer responses, make sure that you're actually elaborating and you're pushing your peers in their thinking and their learning. This is the replacement for classroom discussions. So really try to ask questions, to dig a little bit deeper, and not just write, I agree or I disagree, and then leave it at that. Like, back up your answers. It's what historians do. Back it up with evidence. And evidence from the readings, evidence from the book, whatever it is that you want to pull from, but don't just give a statement and not have supporting factors to that. Now, I've noticed that some of you have done the initial post on Thursday, but not done the peer responses, or you're not doing your primary source assignments. All of this is going to factor into your overall grade at the end of the semester. Everything, for the most part, with the exception of your discussion board post, is due on Sunday. So if waiting until Sunday is something that's not working for you and you're running out of time, don't wait until Sunday. Spread the work out during the week and submit things throughout the week, so that way it's not all accumulating on Sunday night. Complete the chapter quiz on a Tuesday or something like that. If you need help with trying to organize your life or trying to figure out when to do things, reach out to me. I am here for you. I am the queen of multitasking, so I could definitely give you some pointers on how to manage everything and juggle everything. And then the final thing is that it's spring break next week. And I'm going to be pushing back the chapter 5, which will be for next week. I'm pushing that back, like the due dates, until after spring break, but I will open it up so that way if you want to get ahead a little bit, you could get ahead and get started on chapter 5 during spring break. But if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Make sure that you're actually getting all the work done on time, and that you're not just kind of submitting an answer to submit it, but you're actually putting some thought behind it. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I hope y'all have a great Monday. I hope y'all have a great week, and we will chat soon. Take care.